thinking about making your own dry ice? To set up your dry ice production facility, you'll need the following key components. Ensure you have reliable access to liquid CO2 in your region. This is the essential raw material for dry ice production. Your ColdJet dry ice production system should be housed indoors to protect it from the elements. The facility should provide ample space for production and storage. A reinforced concrete foundation is necessary to support the large, bulk CO2 tanks required for efficient dry ice production. Your CO2 supplier will refill your tank as needed to keep your production running smoothly. Insulated piping connects your outdoor CO2 reservoir to the indoor production system. Additionally, exhaust piping is needed to safely vent excess CO2. A 3-phase power supply and a compressed air line are essential for operating your ColdJet system. Proper ventilation is crucial for maintaining air quality within the production facility. Both air intake and exhaust systems are recommended. A CO2 parts per million monitor is a vital safety measure to detect potential CO2 buildup. Insulated containers are necessary to store dry ice and minimize sublimation loss. With these components in place, you're ready to start producing dry ice. Want to learn more? Reach out to your ColdJet representative today.